Safety first, protect your people. Hey, welcome back to Scheifele Zehmann Company. Let's go and find Gregor, the production manager here. So Gregor, now we are here with a part of our good team. But what you see here in the background is the paddy assembler. We have here the drawing on the table, so we are very excited to do that for Peddinghaus.
Andreas, as you know already, our guys, we are right now here discussing about the paddy assembler. You know already Lukas.
Ich bin der Lukas, bin jetzt seit 1,5 Jahren hier beim Zehmann, bis jetzt schon 3 Maschinen installiert. Ich war auf der NASCC in Spanien und noch einmal in Amerika.
Then you may know Mario, he is here since 9 years.
Ich habe schon über 15 Maschinen installiert und das über 4 Kontinente, also es taugt mir richtig.
And then we have also here Ottmar, he can explain in detail how our mechanic works.
Ottmar, so good to have you here. This is our grandpa of the company.
Also wir haben hier aus einer bekannten SPA-Anlage von uns eine Single-Rail-Maschine entwickelt. Der Single-Rail, sagt der Name schon alles, ist eine Fahrbahn, ein Träger, präzise in der Achse, genau geht's nicht. Die Fahrbahn wurde von uns im eigenen Werk gefertigt. Durch den Aufbau, durch die Konstruktion dieser Anlage mit dieser zentralen Fahrbahn haben wir natürlich verkürzte Montagezeiten und es ist richtig eine geile Maschine.
So I believe Peddinghaus can be proud of our team, and we are really supporting each other's very well. Gregor is organizing the installation team worldwide. And when I have a look to this round here, there is Lukas again. It's only 1.5 years after his education, he was able to install this line. Companies and clients are sometimes a little bit skeptical because they see the youngsters are coming. They won't believe that we are able to do that, but due to the construction, which Ottmar is responsible for, we are able to construct it, install it in a very short time.
Now that you've met our team, let's see the results of their outstanding work. The Petty Assembler is ahead of schedule and will be ready to ship even sooner than originally planned. The machine is coming together quickly, and we're almost ready to begin testing it with real-world fabrication jobs. Our attention to detail and precision-built parts makes for an easy assembly. We test as we go, double-checking every connection, and of course every machine we build meets the UL safety standard. In the next video, we'll be testing the machine before it's packed up and sent off to Peddinghaus in Illinois.